it's Lisa Treu and welcome back. Today we're going to talk about the biggest danger if you're in sales, rather real estate or anything else, or a business owner. One of the things that I found is the most challenging to a sales or any business is a big word, and that's complacency. Well, what is complacency? Complacency is the contentment with what you have. Now, there's a difference with never being satisfied. That's not what we're talking about. We're just talking about doing the same thing day after day after day, and then expecting for things to change. That doesn't make sense, right? So what do you do if you say, yes, that's me, I'm complacent. My life looks the same this year as it did last year. So what I want you to do is to pick one area of your life where you would like to maybe improve that. Not all of them, just one. So maybe you pick your physical, or maybe your relationships, or maybe you want to focus on your career, and any of those are fine. Then you're going to set a goal, not just that baby goal, something you know you can achieve, but something that's going to cause you to grow, stretch, change, do something new and different. So for example, let's say you've never, ever been able to run before, but you've always wanted to. Okay, that'd be a great goal to start with. So maybe you sign up for a 5K race, and then you start training for it. That would cause you to get out of complacency, number one. And number two, when you get out of complacency in one area, it impacts all the areas. So what I'd love for you to do is I'd love to hear, what are you going to do to get out of complacency? What is your choice? What is that one thing? Please comment, share. I'd love to hear. And I promise you, it will make your life more exciting, more fun, and more successful. Any questions, just give me a call at 561-352-3056. Talk to you soon.